The 60s. Pop and folk emerges from the eisteddfodau and chapels, protesting a loss of language and community. But then, a group of long-haired young men clutching electric guitars called a Diliau release one record, Maes B, and change everything. The 70s. Record label Sain releases the music that soundtracks language activism as English road signs are ripped down and slogans daubed on walls. Then, a shy young poet from Cardiff releases a series of edgy rock albums celebrating urban life. He's Geraint Jarman, the language's first real rock star. The 80s. A Welsh Language TV station is finally launched, playing pop as light entertainment for all the family. A group of sullen teenagers form Hogiau'r, and the Welsh underground scene is born. The 90s. Hogiau'r tap into youthful rebellion as the hedonism of the age sees raves appear near the eisteddfod field and rock bands experiment with dance beats. Catatonia become the scene's first bona fide pop stars, kick-starting Cool Cymru, leading to the opening of the Welsh Assembly. The noughties. Sung entirely in Welsh, Furry Animals album Mewn is a UK top 10 hit. Devolution sees the Senedd, the Welsh Parliament, open in Cardiff Bay. Maes B becomes an annual rock festival funded by the National Eisteddfod. But what is there left to fight for? The 2010s. Recession takes hold as boys with guitars make anthemic rock for festival stages like Green Man and Number 6, whilst Maes B becomes bigger and bouncier. Then, a young woman with a synth releases an album about humanity's last day. She's Gwenno, a dydd olaf is the album.